Just a lonely 9mm. Tell them stop push badness to the speaker. Skunk only bad on social media.
Right, don't want to be a emotion in the comment section. Nigga dog so now. You just help with 9mm and tell them to stop push badness through the speaker. Means to them and only bad in a bumbo class. And right now, more comments on emoji right now. If you want, me don't want no one comment. Me don't want no two comment. 3 to 4 to 5 comment in my comment section. If you don't know what to comment, people, if you comment, some fire emoji.
Reaction.
Boom, boom in your mouth. Hey. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyreke, aka The Reaction Boss. And you just touched down at the airport. Chuck suit and my Air Force. And I make girl them love me. Hey! Yeah, right now we have a song called Armed and Dangerous by BedeYah. Wagwan Guyana. Reaction Boss BedeYah. So y'all know this is the channel for the audio reactions. So you see over here, so the audio them, the music video them, Tyreke vlogs. So you need to subscribe to both channels. You understand me? Yes, I'm posting 3 times over here. You know the chap. When the art video them drop, we post them on the reaction Tyreke vlogs channel. Because so I go on. So I know if I answer from a song yeah. BedeYah, I'm not needed. So you know say BedeYah well bad. Them man are bad like it's bad. Because so I go on. Big up everybody over Guyana and set time for representing the reaction bosses. I want to say I really appreciate the support. You know the chap girlie. I love chat. Yeah, so love chat. I'm going to say what I go on. Right, June.
Why are you that?
Sorry, remix this. The plane just crashed. They caught. Well, no, I don't like remixing, but this is not a remix. Apparently, remix was not in the title, so this is not a remix. I don't like remix, dog, but go on now, go see what I go on now still. Pull up a tune, big up Tyreke records.
Why are you that? That's so. We are so.
BedeYah. Top ranking talks them no afraid of nobody. Shot them before they make the call to them and me. You all we know them are no blood clot killer. Cause if war fi start them I go ball out sorry. Make a move, ghost gun ready for them somebody. From a boy this all me see cemetery. Slice them up like bread then bust them jelly. Dead body swell up like the breast pan the KM do.
Why are you that? That's so.
BedeYah run like it.
BedeYah. Top ranking talks them no afraid of nobody. Shot them before they make the call to them and me. You all we know them are no blood clot killer. Cause if war fi start them I go ball out sorry. Make a move, ghost gun ready for them somebody. From a boy this all me see cemetery. Slice them up like bread then bust them jelly. Dead body swell up like the breast pan the KM do not ramp with us. Head would bust yeah we am done dangerous. If them feel them brave come get that grave. Somebody a gonna yam the dust. Don't
that's something like when the bumbo clat jump on a same rhythm with a hot song, but they don't come copy the bumbo clat dog flow. You see me I say that's the reason why I don't like reaction. I like to react to bumbo clat song with them do the remix them in the dog because them remix song and they come with the same flow with the original song. I'm like, don't do that. You know when I come show and say, yo, BedeYah come show and say him bad like. You see me I say he go with the same beat, but what? He don't come with the same bumbo clat flow. I have to respect BedeYah for that, dog. Bumbo clat, dog. You can't do a remix, dog. Gotta come copy the bumbo clat flow, everything for the same bumbo clat song. Like, bumbo clat, yo, I don't know why I'm so it. I don't know why I don't like it, but baby, that's the reason why I don't like it. You gotta copy the same flow, everything. Get your own style, bro, God, and their own thing, bro, God. Every artist, I talk to uno, dog. You see me I say? If you are only really like remix, if the artist himself do a remix of him song and put some features on it, dog. But tell us take on the man and remix up. Maybe that without even the dog permission, dog. Get a tight beat to bumbo clat. You hear me? No, dog. Right now, BedeYah, you go on bad. You're bad. Go on!
Not ramp with us, head would bust you, we armed and dangerous. If them feel them skill, them gon' get killed. Yeah, my dogs, them real vicious. Hey, just a lonely 9mm. Tell them stop push badness to the speaker. Skunk only bad on social media.
right now want to be a emoji in the comment section. Nigga dog so now. You just help with 9mm and tell them to stop push badness through the speaker. Means to them and only body in a bumbo class. And right now, more comment some emoji right now. If you want, me don't want no one comment. Me don't want two comment. 3 to 4 to 5 comment in my comment section. If you don't know what to comment, people, if you comment, some fire emoji. Run through.
A gunshot to your dome like Caesar. Burn up them skin, them put them in a freezer. Now nobody can see you, John Cena. Brain take a tour like popcorn.
Burn up them skin and put them in a freezer. Nobody can see you. John Cena can't see you. Bomba cloud. Maybe you're too bad. Maybe you're bad. Go on.
Visa, Charlotte forever, tell them free she's like a XI, me a rev the matic. Bullet fly through your soul and poof you vanish. Raise the AR off a ground in a lift. Anyway me see them a beer a lot tip. Make a drive by and watch them start pocket dip. Boy don't run bullet fast and Sonic. Squeeze out everything out of the clip. And watch him brain jump like a freaking rabbit. Tell them do not ramp with us. Head would bust you, we am not dangerous. If them feel them brave, come get a grave. Somebody a gonna yam the dust. Do not ramp with us. Head would bust you, we am than dangerous. If them feel them skill, them gon' get killed. Yeah, my dogs, them real vicious. Top ranking talks, them not afraid of nobody. Shot them before they make the call to them mommy. Do all that we know them are no blood clot killer. Cause if war start them, I go ball on sorry.
Pause. Intermission time. What y'all thoughts on this song? Rate this song from 1 through 10. I really want to know what y'all gonna say. Right now, down below, in the comment section, 1 through 10. Let me know how much I get that singer. Right now, the singer said 10. Cause right now, BedeYah, lyrics them armed and dangerous. Dangerous.
Make a move, ghost gun ready for done somebody.
Yeah.
From a boy, this army see cemetery. Slice them up like bread, then bust them jelly. Dead body swell up like the breast pan.
Slice them up like bread. Then bust out them jelly. Pussy clap me now, cut out them and bomba.
Kill him, do not ramp with us. Head would bust you, we am than dangerous. If them feel them brave, come get a grave. Somebody a gonna yam the dust. Do not ramp with us. Head would bust you, we am than dangerous. Armed and dangerous. Yes, we armed and dangerous. BedeYah, the prank is done. I don't know why if you're from Charlotte, but you think you're from Wellington. Every time I see them in post, see them always, you know, I was full up in the corner, give me some little cure. I'm only bad on social media, I might tell you that.
Tyreke record.
You done? You done? Jano. Tiny cool, I gonna love this, you know. Pool party. If I even a beach, me have to breach. A summertime. Everybody have to come along. Big up Vibes Cartel. Big up Babish Marida too. We just get free. You don't know a chap girl there. That reaction boss outside representing the real and the right way. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. If you're watching the video to this part, I want you to comment the number 3 in my comment section because you know when I play that one. When I play that one, we don't play that one either. I don't want one comment. I don't want to comment. That's what I say. So comment number 3 in the comment section if you're watching the video to this part. Big up yourself as usual. Thank you for the love, the support. Remember again, people, follow me on Instagram at Tyreke Vlogs to keep up to date with everything that's going to happen on the channel. Scoops, anything. And you can DM me too, but you know I'm kind of busy because I have a regular 9 to 5 job plus YouTube. I'm very busy. I'm going to post every day, so busy. But Tyreke Vlogs for the music video reactions. Tyreke reacts for the bad artists, like you just get 3 videos today. If you never know, I post 3 videos a day. Yeah. Who else I do it? I'm gone. Still big up on yourself. Peace.